Hello guys and welcome, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so in today's episode we've got a backlight of the TV called Bush. I think Bush. Yes, it is a Bush. So it's a Vestel. Yes, pretty much. Brand called Vestel makes them. Now as we see, this is a strip, comes in here, we've got plus and minus, yes? So plus on this side and minus on this side. Then we've got a diode, okay? Now this diode has a plus and a minus as well. So if I've got a red probe, I can put it here, yes? And let me switch to the diode mode, that will give us a current, okay? And let us light it up and see if it will lit up. If it won't, well, we've got a problem. Okay, so it is lighting. So you would say, oh, that's a good LED, yes? Well, yes and no. Let's do now the DC check. Okay, we've switched to the DC. I'll switch you so that you can look what I'm seeing on the meter. Oh, that's a bit of bonkers, but sorry for the mess. I need to put it. Okay, so now it's a DC setting, so I will be able to check the current, okay? I mean the voltage. Now look, I'll be holding these here and you see there is 0, okay? Even closer here. Okay, come on. So it's a 0, 0, 0 here, yes? If I'll increase it, look, it's only 0.10, yes? It's not a lot. I can move it and it's still. So it's not a lot. So if DC is giving me only so little, I know it's faulty. Because why? Because, let me just get rid of it straight away. Okay. Why? Because look on the next one. Okay. Here, let's do the same test, okay? So we plug it in plus and plug it in minus. Okay, and even with a small light, as we've got from the ring here, yes? You've got far more millivolts. Let's do here, maybe because I'm struggling over there. If I'll damage this LED, I'll have one more to replace. So yeah, having fun. Okay, so we see 0.9897, you see 0.2, 0.5, 9, 1.7, over 2 volts. Look guys, yes, so we need to switch even to more. That's a 3 volt, by the way, LED, so that should give us over 2 volts anyway. So a maximum light and give us over 2 volts, yes? So you see, so that's the thing. Now, if you will switch to this diode mode again, it should lit up, and it's lighting up, yes? So we don't need to even, you know, do that test, because we know, yes, we know that this will work better. Now I removed this one here, you might not be seeing it well. Yes, now you see it better. So it's segregated sides, yes, left and right. And that's how we do it. Let's do the last one and we can call it a day. Oh no, sorry, I had to remove this one as well, just for comparison, you know. So okay, so another one, yes, again, the same story. Red probe, yes, red probe here, that's mean plus, and black probe here, okay, on this side. Okay, let me grab with one hand again. Oh, you can laugh at me right now, because I can't hold it. Okay, so we've got 0.08, now with a light on, it's 0.11, and let's get this ring light slowly but steadily. So look, 0.1, 0.5, and you see, that's how you can test, that's 10.09, okay, then 2. 10 about. Yes, so that's a good thing. You see, so in that case we see that this diode can produce current over 2 volts. Yes, whereas that one, first one, which I removed, only can produce, you know, only could produce a little. Yes, so that's how you can check LEDs. Now I can't get the backlight for this TV, so here locally, so I had to order it from China, and that will come in the December. So the day of the recording is 3rd of October, and that should come to the 6th of November or December. So in this case, you know, all I can do for this customer is fix it by soldering new diodes, which I don't have here. Okay, that's okay as well. And the last on the strip is, so we can shut down the video. Yes, so that's, and that's max, that's over 2 volts as well, so that's fine. So that's strip checked, and you've got 3 strips. So I don't have these types of diodes, unfortunately. I've got different ones, but I'm thinking maybe I will use different strip for this Bush TV, because I don't have this type of diode. I've got 3 volts, yes, and I've got 6 volts, so I can replace. You see, those ones are 3 volts, those ones are 6 volts. Yes, so yay, but I can't use, you know, those 3 volts properly here because they won't fit. So I'm thinking about taking different strap for this TV. We will see. I'll you know, I'll decide. Once the strip will come from China, we can then install the new strip, and I can have this one just as a reserve one. But that's it, guys, in this episode. Hopefully you get a value out of it. That's how you check with just the digital multimeter. That's how you can check if you've got 6 volts. Okay, that's one more important thing. If you've got 6 volts strip, so that means your meter, yes, your meter won't light up those LEDs. It will be too small volts and current. So on the diode mode, if you would choose, unfortunately it won't lit up. But on the test, the one which we've made with checking voltage and giving it like a strong light, it should still produce your voltage. Yes, so that's a very good test if you want to test your backlight. And if you've got a time and you can buy LEDs, you can fix this backlight without ordering a whole strip. As we've seen on the Polaroid, you can replace it with a hot air quite easily. Yes, and then you can use as well soldering paste. If you use soldering paste, guys, then you can soldering paste here. When you use soldering paste, you can just like this. Yes, I just bought, which I didn't have as well. So I bought it with syringe, yes, with this, and I've got those small, it doesn't matter. Okay, so it's just the syringe with a spiky bit, and you can just spread a bit and heat it up from the bottom, and it will align perfectly. So you don't need to even pre-solder the you know, the backlight. Yes, with this edge backlight, with this is a full backlight. You can do it with edge backlight. I wouldn't recommend, because these diodes are so dense that they won't give heat you know, out quickly. And this is like 150 degrees or 170 degrees, so it's lower melting temp, and that's causing you know, oh no, that's 183 actually. That's 183. I can show you here. So this is better. That's me like it. 183 degrees. So in that case, you know, you can use it, because 183 it's okay. Then you can just put, where are you? Here. Yes, you can put just a bit on it and heat up, and it will align, you know, sit properly. Yes, you just need to make sure to clean up the surface in between, so that the surface is not connecting left to the right one, and that's your job done. Guys, that's it in this episode. Hopefully you've got some value out of it. Thank you for liking and sharing if you've done so. That's really helping this channel, and we're planning to improve quite a few things on this YouTube channel. We observe what you like to watch more, what you like to watch less, and we will be making improvements in those directions. So we will see, but future is bright for us, guys. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all. Bye bye.